Hi everyone, this is Marina. I'm here to show you how to use Google Meet. Google Meet is Google's video conferencing software. So I'm going to exit my slide right here and I'm going to go to my calendar. Right, so this is my work calendar and I'm going to choose today's date and create a new event. I'm going to choose more options. So I'm going to name this check-in. And instead of doing all day, I'm going to choose an actual time. So this is going to be the time of our video conference. Okay, I'm going to click right here and you'll see a little video camera and choose Hangouts Meet. So instead of this event just being a reminder or an actual physical meeting, it's now going to be a Google Meet. So when I click that box, this is the link that will take me to Google Meet and the video conference. I can go ahead and invite guests. So if I want Allison to be on the video call with me, I can invite her right here. And when I save, I have the option of sending her an email to remind her that this is happening. I'm going to hit don't send because I'm just testing this out and I don't want her to be inundated with emails. Okay, so at that time, we'll meet and do our Google Meet. The other option is to actually go to meet.google.com, right? If I want to do a call right now, so someone called me, they have a problem, I need to be able to see their computer, I can click join or start a meeting right now. I call it test, continue. So this is going to start a video conference right now. So it's going to probably turn on my camera so you'll be able to see me for a moment at least. It's going to take a minute to load. I'll pause it until it's loaded. Hello. So the nice thing is it does show you what your camera is going to look like, so you can fix your hair, make sure the lighting's okay. I'm going to go ahead and turn off the video because no one needs to see me. Okay. And I'm going to leave my audio on. So the Google Meet is set up. Now I can just join it. I'm going to go in right now. Okay. Right, so it's going to tell me exactly what information people need to join this Google Meet. So I could highlight this and send it to someone in an email and say, let's video conference right now. Or I could actually click on add people and type their email address right here. I don't know why I typed Andrea, that's not her email. My internet's rather slow. So if you type their email, you could add them right there and invite them to the call. So since I turned off my camera, you just see my icon there. And when I speak, these little bubbles come out. So a few things to note is, all right, let me close that so you can see it. The name of my video conference call. So if I ever need that information again, if someone else needs to join, I can click right here to join that meeting. Right at the bottom, here is my microphone, so I can mute myself if I needed to. I can end the call, or I can turn my video back on. This feature right here of turning on captions is pretty cool. Right. So you'll be able to see exactly what I'm saying. And if someone else was on the call, they would come up as their name and what they're saying. It's not perfect, obviously, but I think it's a nice feature. So I'm going to turn that off. The present now allows me to show my screen. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen. So this is nice if you're trying to walk somebody through something on the computer if they don't know what to do. I think okay, so because I'm actually sharing my screen, it's not going to show it on this screen. Oh, maybe it is. Right, so it's telling me that I'm presenting to everyone. Okay, so I'm going to stop presenting. Ooh, and there goes my dog. The last thing I want to show you is that up here you can see who is on the call, and there's a chat feature. So if someone's audio is not working, they can actually just type in responses and questions. Okay, so I think that's the basics for now. Have a great day, stay healthy, and I'll see you soon.